right, here we go. Welcome back to the Unboxed channel where we unbox things, and that's what we do. We have the DJI Osmo Mobile 8P. They have definitely come a long way since the old original phone gimbals, but yeah, we're going to unbox this, show you the experience of that, and not really test it out. This is just kind of more giving you, I don't know, maybe you like watching unboxed videos, I don't know, who knows. This one right here on the back, it tells you a little bit of the specs. We have a remote control for selfies, precise framing, expanded and enhanced subject tracking, direct phone connection for native tracking, 3-axis gimbal, built-in tripod and extension rod, 10-hour battery life and phone charging, low angle shots, 360 pan rotation, and one tap editing, easy tutorials and stuff like that on their app. So let's do it. Nice little things here. Hey, there's no green thing on this side. Oh, man. What are they thinking? All right. DJI has, in the past, been really good at these. Oh, I guess you only need to open one side. There we go. At these gimbals. I've always been impressed with their gimbals. Get rid of those things here. Is it just an empty box? That's kind of cool. All right. They're definitely getting a more and more economical, if you will, with their packaging. Less wasted space. Kind of miss that, though. You felt really important when you get a product like this, and it set up nicely. But here we go, little manual, easy start guide, and here is the gimbal in the back. So it comes with a little bag, folded down. If you have MagSafe, these things will work with. There's like some MagSafe mounts that you can get that pop on here instead of this one. But if you want to just put this on your phone, that's how you do it. You have an optional little thing down here for your tracker and light. So it doesn't use just software for tracking, which is really good. You can pop this on and use that, which is better. Here is your screen and remote. How does that detach? Just pull it off. There you go. Very simple. Turn it on. Just lift it open. It should turn itself on. Just like that. And it should work right out of the box. Like, you don't have to balance anything. It's just that simple. Maybe you got to put this in here to start it up to begin with. How does it go in? Just like that. So we'll have to set this thing up. But before we do that, there's quarter thread on the bottom, but then you have built-in tripod legs. These are very nice tripod legs, actually. Nice and wide, not like wiry ones. So like that. It's got NFC to connect to the smartphone app. And then you have your selfie stick. Goes about that far. Just enough to get some height or low angles, or if you want it just away from you and you want to vlog, you can even tip this towards you. Just as simple as that. So I like that you have the pull-out remote. That makes it very cool, and you should be able to see the image on here. I think. So we hit OK. I don't know if this is touchscreen here. So we have to connect it to the app to launch it for the first time. So that's not going to happen today. I just wanted to open this up, turn it on, see how it looks, and yeah, we'll do a full test on a different channel. But turn this off, fold it down. Let's give it a good fold. How easy is it to fold? Takes a second. This goes on here. Boom, boom, boom. Done. That's it. It's a pretty simple unboxing experience here with the Osmo Mobile 8P from DJI. Thanks for watching. See you in the next unboxing.